Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And look what I got in the mail today. Oh my goodness, just the box alone is so pretty. So I've already teased you with one of the cards because we were able to get a little sneak preview from the convention. They let us do one card. And then I heard there are multiple cards in here. So oh my goodness, we're still going to be surprised. So let's check all of this out. I just love the box. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Alrighty. So we have some early espresso here. That is our Stampin' Spot. And then we've got our, let's see, let me see if I can find a blank piece of paper here. I'll just grab my notebook. There we go. Check that out. We've got a thank you, a for you, dear friend. We've got a pretty feather. This one says grateful and hello. Looks like some little splatches or splotches there. Two really pretty birds. Some flowers, and they kind of look like they match what's on the box. And then a little ampersand there. And then we've got for you and then hugs. Oh, super cute. All right, we've got that. And you guys, we are going to open this up. And I know some of you have not received yours. I didn't know that I had received mine until just about 5 minutes ago when I got home. But look at this pretty paper too. Everything in here is just so like pretty, little delicate. So, all right, here we go. Look, yep, this is the card that I had shown you. And then look at this. Oh, let's open this up. But what I was saying, we're not going to put these together. We'll still continue to do these live. And so I will be doing them live sometime this week. But I want to make sure that you guys, if you are one of my subscribers, that you already got your paper pumpkin. So, if you are not currently one of my subscribers and would like to be, I put my, I put my login here, and then I put the paper pumpkin login there. So either one will work. If you do go to the paperpumpkin.com, please make sure you pick me as your demonstrator and just look for my name, Jean Piersanti. And let's go ahead and get into this. So of course it comes with your directions, and the name of this kit is called Hugs from Shelly. So we've got instructions for the cards, as always, with our little ruler here down at the bottom. And look at that. Oh my gosh, we are going to have so much fun on the live. I can already tell. There's just so much we can do. We have these little punch outs. And these punch outs here as well. Very nice. And those are on a vanilla. Stanley's running around playing. You can hear him there. And these are note card size. And I just love the note card size. And it looks like, how many cards do we have? Does it say? It doesn't say on here. We'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cards, you guys. 12 cards for $19.95 that you can hand make. So these are the envelopes. Let's look at them. Because look at that. Super, super pretty. And then you've seen this one, right? Really cute. And then let's look and see what we've got. We've got the card bases, which have the really pretty birds on there. So we have 3 of each card. Oh, I'm in love with this base. Look at that. It's a very vanilla, and it's got like splatters on it. It's got already a little bit of the mixed media look. So very cool. Looks like we have 3 of those. What is this? Oh, these are little feathers that are going to pop out. They're vellum. Vellum feathers. We'll set that off to the side, and look at that. We've got some really pretty flowers as well. So we've got some cards with those pretty flowers again. Are they cherry blossoms? I don't know, but they're so really. So we got 3 of those. And is this just a blank card base? No, it's the one I already showed you. So it's got the little eggs there, a nest with some leaves and twigs sticking out. And we got 3 of those. And then we're going to come over here to all of our box of goodies here, or bag of goodies, I would say. And let's see what's in here. We've got this really pretty, I don't know, a little twine there. And then we have some twine that is in this crumb cake color. And then look at this, the ribbon. It's in that new pretty peacock color. So we're already getting to see, and it's a velvet ribbon. And look how much we got. Very nice. And then it looks like there are some little guys in here. We always have our little dimensionals and our dots. So if you are brand new and you're just getting your first kit, you're also going to get a paper pumpkin block in your first kit. And then you keep that block, and then you just keep getting inks and everything. But look at these. These are like little sparrows, I think. I don't know. I don't know my birds at all. But I do know they're cute. Swallows? Are they swallows? They look like the ones that go like to Capistrano every year. That's why I'm thinking they might be. But they are cute, and you get 4 of those. So I can already tell we are going to have so much fun on our live. We're going to put together these cards because they look like we can put them together rather quickly. We'll put them together, and then we'll make some cards of our own. So I will let you know in a future video when we're going to do it. Probably maybe around Tuesday or so. That should give people time to get their paper pumpkins delivered. So now it's time to go with the May. You sign up in May for the June kit. And you guys, I've already seen a little bit of the teaser for the June kit, and it is so cute. It looks like it's going to be a nautical theme in a really pretty blue. So who knows? I mean, I thought this was going to only be that one card, and it turned out to be 12 cards of 4 different types. So all right. Well, you guys, I hope to see you live, and I'm going to do it on Tuesday. I'm going to put that in my calendar. We're going to do it on Tuesday, and we're going to do this live. So it'll be Tuesday afternoon, evening. I'll put it in there, and I'll do more videos before then to let you know. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like Paper Pumpkin, give me a thumbs up. If you want to join, let me know, or visit again. If you do purchase anything from my site, please use the host code. This is it here, JMJNBU64, and that's valid until the end of May. All right, beauties, I just love this kit so much, and I cannot wait till Tuesday. We will see you then. Have a good evening, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!